The image that changed everything. The recent announcement from NASA about a new image captured by the James Webb Space Telescope has sent shockwaves through the scientific community and beyond. A single photograph, a window into the deep unknown, has once again reminded humanity how small and fragile our understanding of the universe truly is. This image, one that NASA has been unusually secretive about until now, is said to fundamentally change our perception of reality itself. For weeks, whispers of something extraordinary spread through observatories and research centers, hinting at a discovery so profound that it could reshape the very language of cosmology. The significance of this discovery cannot be overstated. It is not just another data point or another pretty picture of distant stars. It is a revelation that may redefine what we believe the universe is made of. It has not only captivated astronomers and scientists but also ignited the imagination of people across the globe. From classrooms to coffee shops, from labs to late-night discussions online, everyone is asking the same question: what exactly did Webb see out there? The implications of this finding are vast, possibly redefining our understanding of space, time, and the very structure of existence itself. If true, it could mean that everything we thought we knew about the cosmos, its origins, its limits, its fate, is only a fraction of a deeper and stranger truth. Since its launch, the James Webb Space Telescope has delivered one breathtaking revelation after another. It has captured the birth of stars, unveiled the hidden architecture of distant galaxies, and even peered into the atmospheres of alien worlds hundreds of light years away. Each new image expanded our cosmic vision, a steady march toward understanding the infinite. But this new image, the one NASA has just made public, seems to surpass all that came before. It's been described as both beautiful and terrifying, a vision both mesmerizing and deeply unsettling. A glimpse into the unknown that challenges every scientific framework we've built to explain the heavens. At first glance, the image appears ordinary, a faintly lit patch of space, perhaps a nebula or a distant galaxy cluster lost in the void. But the deeper astronomers looked, the more their certainty began to crumble. Something within the image defied explanation. The structures captured by Webb's golden mirrors were unlike anything ever seen before, neither galaxies nor nebulae, neither dust clouds nor stellar formations. They were something entirely new. A phenomenon that refused classification, existing beyond the categories that define all known cosmic matter. And what makes this even more unsettling is the sheer scale of the void it reveals. A vast gulf stretching for billions of light years, an expanse so immense it challenges the human mind to comprehend. Across this incomprehensible emptiness, faint ghostly filaments shimmer in patterns too delicate, too deliberate, to be random. It's as if an invisible hand has woven them, threads of light dancing to a rhythm we cannot yet understand. The darkness in the image isn't just the absence of light. It feels like something deeper, a kind of structured nothingness that may hint at a fundamental flaw in how we map the universe itself. If these strange filaments and empty expanses are real, then the very framework of modern cosmology, the model that has guided decades of research, may be incomplete, or even profoundly wrong. For generations, astronomers have relied on a grand structure of understanding, a universe driven by dark matter, dark energy, and ordinary matter, all interacting in a delicate cosmic balance. This model explained everything, from the distribution of galaxies to the faint afterglow of the Big Bang that hums across the night sky. But Webb's new image seems to whisper another story. A hidden order beneath the known, something woven into the cosmic fabric that we were never meant to see. The structures within the void don't behave like dark matter halos, which typically cluster around galaxies in predictable ways. Instead, they appear diffuse, irregular, scattered, as if shaped by laws of physics not yet written in our books. Some scientists now suggest these could be traces of ancient energy fields, remnants left behind from the dawn of creation, the faint aftershock of existence itself. Others dare to wonder if this could represent a new phase in the evolution of the universe, one that is unfolding even now before our eyes. Some physicists believe the faint, shimmering filaments might be echoes of dark energy behaving differently across the cosmic landscape. If true, it could mean the universe's expansion isn't steady, it breathes, it ripples, it lives. In some regions, space stretches gently and slowly. In others, it races outward with unstoppable force, reshaping spacetime itself. These vast, silent voids might be places where the universe begins to tear, where the delicate weave of reality stretches to its limit. It's a concept so staggering that even the most seasoned scientists can only whisper about it. Others suggest the image may reveal the fingerprints of cosmic strains, ancient scars left over from the instant the universe was born. These one-dimensional defects, formed when pure energy condensed into matter, could be the literal threads that bind creation together. If so, then for the first time, we may be witnessing the architecture of existence, the filaments that connect galaxies and shape the cosmic web. But some researchers see something even stranger: the possible presence of exotic matter or hidden energy unlike anything known to physics. This mysterious substance might not interact with light at all, existing unseen, drifting silently through our universe. Some even suggest it could exist in higher dimensions, folded into our reality like invisible waves of energy. If that's true, then perhaps the James Webb Space Telescope hasn't just looked into space, it has glimpsed beyond it. The implications are staggering. It could mean the great voids, once thought empty, are actually filled with unseen dimensions, hidden forces, even other universes pressing against our own. If so, the boundaries between existence and nothingness may be thinner than we ever imagined. And that would mean Webb's image isn't just a view of space, it's a mirror into the multiverse. The discovery also changes how we think about life. For decades, we've searched for familiar patterns: planets, water, carbon, oxygen. But what if life can exist in forms we cannot recognize? Entities of energy or structure, thriving in realms beyond light, chemistry, or matter itself. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to look back in time, to witness the birth of the first stars. Yet it may have revealed something else entirely: a hidden side of the present, a deeper layer of reality that's always been there. The void in this image is unlike any ever seen. Most voids, though sparse, still contain traces of matter. This one appears almost hollow, smooth at the edges, lightless within, as if space itself had been carved out. It's not absence. It's a kind of presence, a silent, structured darkness that seems to pulse, faintly, as if alive. If real, it suggests spacetime isn't smooth, but trembling, a living fabric where the laws of physics bend, twist, and sometimes fail. Some whisper of extra dimensions, others of parallel realities brushing against our own. Theoretical physicists believe Webb may have captured an interdimensional boundary, a place where two universes meet. If that's true, humanity may, for the first time, be staring directly into the face of the multiverse. The discovery has left scientists both awed and uneasy. Every new analysis deepens the mystery. Every explanation reveals how little we truly know. As data continues to flow, the very foundations of cosmology tremble. The universe, it seems, is not still, it's alive, unpredictable, and infinitely strange. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's golden eye on the infinite, reminds us that wonder is not a weakness of science, it's the heart of it. And perhaps, the deeper we look into the universe, the more we are really looking into ourselves. So as the world stares into this haunting new image, one truth remains: the more we learn about the universe, the less we truly understand. Perhaps that's the real beauty of discovery, that in our endless search for answers, we find something even greater: awe. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, press the like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries. Because the story of the universe is still unfolding, and we've only just begun to listen.